In this video, we're going to learn how to close multiple gaps at once, which means removing all empty spaces between clips in your timeline in one go. Gaps usually appear after trimming, cutting, or deleting clips. If left unchecked, they create unwanted black screens in your video. Let's fix this properly. First, make sure your sequence is active and your timeline is selected. Now go to the top menu and click on Sequence. From the drop-down menu, choose Close Gap. When you click this, Adobe Premiere Pro automatically removes the selected gap and shifts clips left to fill the space. To close all gaps in the timeline, simply make sure no specific clip is selected and repeat Close Gap for each section where gaps exist. If your clips are placed continuously on the tracks, this method quickly cleans up the timeline and removes empty spaces efficiently. This is much faster than manually dragging clips or ripple deleting one gap at a time. And that's it. You now know how to close multiple gaps and clean your timeline quickly in Adobe Premiere Pro. If this tutorial helped you, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more Adobe Premiere Pro tutorials.